Ever wondered, how can I experience luxury travel without breaking the bank? Well, you're not alone. Hello there and welcome to Passport Journey. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of luxury travel. Now, when you hear luxury travel, you may envision exclusive resorts, first-class flights, and gourmet dining, all carrying an exorbitant price tag. But what if we told you that this level of opulence is achievable on a shoestring budget? Yes, you heard it right. It's all about knowing the right tips and tricks, and that's exactly what we're here for. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our new videos packed with handy advice and inspiring travel ideas. So get ready to redefine luxury in travel and discover ways to make it affordable. Planning, the cornerstone of any successful trip, especially when aiming for luxury on a budget. The magic of a well-executed trip lies in the meticulous planning that precedes it. This takes on even more importance when you're looking to experience luxury without emptying your bank account. So, let's delve into how you can make this happen. First off, research is your best friend. The more information you have, the better decisions you can make. Start by identifying your destination and then dive deep into everything it has to offer. Learn about the peak seasons, the local customs, the must-visit spots, and the hidden gems. This will give you a clear picture of what to expect and how to make the most out of your trip. Next, early planning is crucial. Once you've done your research and have a rough idea of what you want to do, get down to the nitty-gritty of planning your itinerary. This includes everything from your travel dates, accommodation, transportation, meals, activities, and even your downtime. The more detailed your plan, the less likely you are to encounter unexpected expenses. Now let's talk about booking. It's no secret that the earlier you book, the more you save. This applies to everything from flights and hotels to tours and activities. And while the idea of last-minute deals might sound enticing, they're often more myth than reality. So secure your bookings as early as possible. It's not just about saving money, but also about securing your spot in popular destinations or activities that might get booked out fast. In addition, consider working with a travel agent. They often have access to special deals and discounts that you might not find on your own. But remember, always cross-check the prices before you finalize anything. And here's a pro tip. Keep an eye on exchange rates. If the currency of your destination is particularly low, it might be a good time to book. Remember, a well-planned trip not only saves money, but also ensures a more luxurious experience. One of the best ways to experience luxury for less is by traveling off-peak. Now, what does off-peak travel mean? It's when you choose to embark on your journey during periods of the year when travel demand is low. This could be during the school term, outside of public holidays, or simply when the weather is not at its most ideal in your chosen destination. So why should you consider off-peak travel? Well, there are quite a few benefits. Firstly, you'll find that flights and accommodation are significantly cheaper. Airlines and hotels want to fill their seats and rooms, so during off-peak times, they'll often slash their prices to attract customers. This means you could score a business-class flight or a five-star hotel room for a fraction of the usual cost. Secondly, off-peak travel means fewer crowds. Those popular tourist sites, museums, and attractions that are usually swarming with visitors, they'll be much quieter. This not only makes for a more enjoyable experience, but it also means you'll have better opportunities for those perfect vacation photos without dozens of strangers in the background. Thirdly, with fewer tourists around, you're likely to receive more personalized service. Whether it's at your hotel, a restaurant, or a guided tour, staff will have more time to cater to your needs, making your experience feel all the more luxurious. It's also worth noting that while the weather may not be picture perfect during off-peak seasons, it can often be pleasantly mild, and there's something quite magical about experiencing a destination in a different season. Imagine strolling through Paris in autumn with the leaves changing color, or exploring the Greek islands in the cooler spring months. It's a unique experience that you won't get during the peak summer rush. There's no doubt that off-peak travel requires a bit of flexibility and a willingness to go against the grain. But if you're seeking luxury without breaking the bank, it's a strategy worth considering. So for a luxurious experience without the hefty price tag, consider off-peak travel. Accommodation can make or break your luxury experience. But how do you get it for less? Let's delve into some savvy strategies. First up, consider luxury apartments over hotels. Why? Well, luxury apartments often offer similar amenities as high-end hotels like swimming pools, gyms and concierge services. Yet they can be significantly cheaper. Plus, they offer more space and privacy, which can really add to that feeling of luxury. Now, if you have a bit of a wanderlust spirit, why not try alternative luxury accommodation options? Ever heard of glamping? It's camping, but with a touch of glamour. You stay in a beautifully designed tent or cabin nestled in nature, but with all the creature comforts you'd expect from a luxury hotel. It's a fantastic way to experience the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort. Then, there's the magic of reward points. If you're not already part of a hotel's loyalty program, it's time to sign up. These programs often offer free nights, room upgrades, and other perks. And best of all, they're usually free to join. It's a no-brainer. Another handy tip is to consider the location. Accommodation in the heart of a city or close to popular tourist spots can be pricey, but if you're willing to stay a bit further out, you can often find luxury for less. Plus, it can be a great way to explore lesser-known areas and immerse yourself in the local culture. And let's not forget last-minute deals. Websites and apps offer heavily discounted rooms that hotels are eager to fill. It might be a bit of a gamble, but it can pay off big time. Lastly, be flexible with your dates. Prices can fluctuate significantly depending on the time of year, day of the week, and even time of day you book. So play around with your dates a bit and you might just snag a bargain. With these tips, you can sleep in luxury without waking up to a financial nightmare. Luxury travel isn't just about where you sleep, but also about what you eat. Imagine savoring a dish crafted by a world-renowned chef, the delicate flavors dancing on your tongue, the ambience setting the perfect backdrop for a memorable dining experience. Now imagine having this luxury dining experience without splurging your entire travel budget. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. One of the best ways to enjoy a luxury dining experience on a budget is by booking a table for lunch instead of dinner. High-end restaurants often offer the same quality of food and service at lunchtime, but at a fraction of the dinner price. So why not treat yourself to a midday feast and save a bit of cash? Exploring local markets is another excellent way to eat well without breaking the bank. These bustling hubs of activity are often the heart and soul of a city, providing a window into the local culture and culinary scene. You can find fresh, locally sourced ingredients and even try your hand at cooking a local dish. Not only is it a fun and unique experience, but it's also a great way to save money on meals. And let's not forget about local gourmet food. Each region has its own culinary gems, and these delicacies often come with a reasonable price tag. From a steaming bowl of pho in Vietnam to a flavorful tagine in Morocco, these local delights offer a taste of luxury at a cost that won't leave you reeling. If you're a foodie, why not plan your travel around food festivals? These events often showcase a wide array of dishes from top chefs at a discounted price. You'll get to sample a variety of cuisines and maybe even discover your new favorite dish. So, the next time you're planning a luxury getaway, remember to think outside the box when it comes to dining. With a bit of creativity and strategic planning, you can savor the flavors of luxury cuisine without emptying your wallet. Remember, luxury dining doesn't always mean expensive. It's about the experience and the quality of the food. Now that you've got the accommodation and dining sorted, what about activities? Indeed, our journey into affordable luxury wouldn't be complete without a deep dive into the world of experiences that offer opulence without a hefty price. First off, let's talk about the charm of free walking tours. You might be wondering, free and luxury in the same sentence. How's that possible? Well, these guided tours are often led by locals who are passionate about sharing the history and culture of their cities. They'll take you to hidden gems that you won't find in guidebooks, allowing you to see the city from an insider's perspective. It's a personal, intimate experience that rivals any high-end tour, and the best part, it's absolutely free. Of course, it's always appreciated if you tip your guide at the end, but it's not mandatory. Next on our list are museums. Many top-tier museums around the world offer free entrance days. This is your chance to immerse yourself in the world of art, history, and culture without spending a dime. Imagine standing in front of a masterpiece, soaking in its beauty and contemplating its significance. It's an experience that's worth so much more than any price tag. Last, but certainly not least, is exploring nature. Some of the most luxurious experiences you can have come from our planet's natural wonders. Think about it. Walking along a pristine beach at sunset, hiking through lush forests, or stargazing in a clear night sky. These experiences are often free and provide a sense of luxury that money simply cannot buy. To find these experiences, do a bit of research before your trip. Look up local tour groups, check museum websites for free entrance days, and seek out the natural wonders in your destination. You'll be surprised at how much luxury you can experience without spending a fortune. In conclusion, luxury isn't solely defined by the amount of money spent. It's about the quality of the experience, the memories created, and the sense of awe and wonder that stays with you long after the moment has passed. Luxury experiences don't always come with a luxury price tag. Finally, let's talk about packing. Yes, even this can contribute to your luxury travel experience. It may seem like a trivial task, but smart packing can make a world of difference, not just in terms of convenience, but also in cost saving and enhancing your overall travel experience. Firstly, let's tackle those pesky baggage fees. Airlines are notorious for their exorbitant extra baggage charges. To avoid these, it's essential to pack only what you truly need. This doesn't mean you have to compromise on style or comfort, but rather it's about choosing versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create different looks. A well-fitted black blazer, for instance, can be worn with jeans for a casual day out, or thrown over a dress for a more formal evening. Now, how can packing certain items add a touch of luxury to your trip, you may ask? Well, it's all about bringing along small comforts that can significantly elevate your travel experience. Think of it as bringing a bit of home with you. It could be your favorite tea or coffee blend, a luxurious travel-size skincare set, or even your favorite book. These items may not seem luxurious per se, but they can make unfamiliar environments feel a lot more comfortable and inviting. Another smart packing tip is to carry a portable power bank. In this digital age, we rely heavily on our devices for everything from navigation to capturing memories. A power bank ensures that your devices are always charged and ready to use, which can save you a lot of hassle and stress. And lastly, don't forget to leave some space in your suitcase for souvenirs or local products that you may want to bring back. This not only saves you from having to buy an extra bag or pay for overweight luggage, but also allows you to bring a piece of your luxury travel back home with you. So there you have it, folks. Smart packing doesn't just mean stuffing your suitcase with everything you own. It's about choosing wisely, bringing comforts from home, and leaving room for new treasures. Remember, packing smart is packing luxurious. So there you have it, ways to experience luxury travel without breaking the bank. As we've journeyed together, we've explored the importance of planning. A well-thought-out itinerary is the heart of any successful trip. We've learned that by doing our homework, finding the right deals, and booking in advance, we can navigate the world of luxury travel with ease. We've also discovered the value of off-peak travel. Traveling during the shoulder seasons can offer not only cheaper rates, but also a more relaxed and authentic experience. Remember, those tranquil beaches and quiet city streets are just as beautiful outside of the peak season. In our quest for luxury accommodation, we've uncovered the secret of using booking sites, loyalty programs, and last-minute deals to our advantage. Luxury doesn't always mean the most expensive suite in the hotel. It's about finding a place that makes you feel special. And with these tips, you can do just that without having to empty your savings. We've tasted the delights of eating well on a budget, proving that gourmet dining doesn't have to cost a fortune. By exploring local markets, trying street food, and cooking for ourselves, we can savor the world's finest cuisines without the hefty price tag. Furthermore, we've delved into affordable luxury activities. Whether it's a spa day, a guided tour, or a sunset cruise, there are countless ways to indulge in luxury experiences without splurging. And let's not forget about smart packing. By packing wisely, we can save on baggage fees, avoid the hassle of lost luggage, and still look our best wherever we go. In the end, remember, luxury isn't about the price tag. It's about the experience. So start planning your next luxury trip today. With a little bit of planning, creativity, and these tip ideas in your back pocket, you're well on your way to experiencing the world in style without breaking the bank. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks from your friends here at Passport Journey. Until next time, cheerio, safe travels.